E-track rails are easy and simple to install and require no special tools. Here's what you need: your rails, the proper installation hardware, and a power screwdriver. It is important not to use screws that are too long or they will puncture the exterior skin of the trailer. A good way to determine proper screw length is to check against existing screws. First, you'll need to locate the studs. They're usually at 16 or 24 inches on centers. On most trailers, it's easy to find the studs by locating the screws that are holding the wall panels to them. Next, position your rails. Cut away any trim panels so that the rail sits flat on the wood. Finally, fasten your rails to the studs. If your studs are metal, you're going to want to use self-tapping screws.